There's Mrs. Goggins' cottage, Jess. We'll get her present there in 2 ticks, just in time for her party. Oh, hello. What's this? Oh, no. We'll never get there now unless... Let's hop across. Our little secret, eh? Come on, you silly moggy. I'll be late for my delivery, you know, and then you... Jess! No, please, no!
It was a lovely morning, and Thomas had made a new friend. Good morning, I'm Thomas. What's your name?
Pat.
It's lovely to meet you, Pat. I hope you don't mind me saying it's not a good idea to stand on the railway tracks. It can be a very dangerous place for people.
And cats.
Cats? Oh dear, thought Thomas. He did remember seeing a flash of black and white before he put his brakes on. I'm so sorry.
Not as sorry as you're going to be! Postman Pat! Postman Pat! Postman Pat and his black and white cat!
Thomas could see Pat was angry. But
Oh, mother of God! Ah!
Thomas was very confused. The postman seemed to have forgotten that Thomas was made of solid steel.
I've forgotten nout. But it looks like if I want to kick your shiny metal bum, I'm going to need to put my back into it. First up to bat, Postman Pat!
Thomas did feel sorry for the poor postman, but he didn't like being hit in the face one bit. Please stop, Pat. I know you miss your cat, but ow, said Thomas. Ouch, that actually hurt me, you crazy little human, said Thomas. The silly man had jabbed Thomas right in his eye. Oh dear, said Thomas. I didn't mean to...
You don't seem to mean a lot of what you do, you big metal bastard. But don't you worry. There's more than one way to crack a nut!
The horrible postman had clogged Thomas's chimney and suffocated Bob. Bob! yelled Thomas. There was nothing for it. He was going to have to fight fire with fire.
Can it, Ringo? It's time to turn up the heat. Oh, that looked painful. Well, that's what you get when you mess with a train, you crazy bastard! Later!
Now, where does he think he's off to, eh? Oi, Alfie! Got a sec?
Thomas was puffing along, happy that he'd lost that horrid little man once and for all.
Ding ding! Next stop, bullets upon a van! I know it doesn't quite work, but eat lead, you chugging bastard!
What the actual fuck? Said Thomas.
Now, what's your language, Choo-Choo? That's hardly suitable for the little uns. Come to think of it, I think I've got just the thing to shut you up once and for all! Say goodnight, you shiny metal murderer!
Thomas thought he was done for, when suddenly he heard a familiar noise. It's good to have friends in high places, thought Thomas. Looked like you were in a spot of bother, Thomas, said Harold. I had him right where I wanted him, laughed Thomas. Still, thanks for the assist, and on your last day before retirement too. After all this excitement, you must be looking forward to a nice rest. You can say that again. Finally, some time for me and the wife to...
Whoops, sorry, you weren't in, so I left a package with your neighbour.
Harold, no! I'll kill you!
Ha! Hurts, don't it, lad? Well, not to worry. You won't be feeling anything much longer. What goes up must come down! This made Pat a really happy man. What the... Well, you don't see that every day.